Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well, and I also I about government hospitals and about private hospitals. And today, a lots of students they are raising voices and they are criticize of government hospitals and they are criticize on private hospitals. So I think B B should be criticized, and where B should go in private hospitals and government hospitals, and they are debating here and they will express their points. So I wanna first call, and I would like to call Mr. Ritesh Kumar. He will be supporting government hospitals. Okay, so
First of all, good afternoon, all the panelists, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we are again sitting here to conducting the debate, and as you know that we are conducting debate, and we have two teams, Team A and Team B. Team A, they will support. They are supporting the private hospitals, and me and my team supporting the government hospitals. As you know, I'm just talking about hospital, just like government hospital or private hospital. Which hospital is better? Most of the people go to prefer the government hospitals because there is facility. As far as I know, there is facility, and most of the people go to the government hospitals because there are. There is a patient and poor families easily afford the government hospitals, and a lots of accidental cases only receive the government hospitals, not private hospitals. And treatment should save lives, not empty your pocket. Yes, and healthcare is a necessity, not a business. But private hospitals do business, and private hospital doctors do discriminate with people who are rich or poor. So that's all about my point, and thank you for paying your attention. Thank you for listening me.
Ritesh has spoken very well. If anybody have question, who can ask question to Ritesh? Okay,
Anybody have question?
you.
Hello,
Hello.
very good afternoon to all of you.
Thank.
First of all, I would like to say thank you, Director Sir, who has given me this opportunity to talk with you and in front of you. I want to ask question about the government hospital. In the
Yes.
government hospital, buffalo and cow is walking in the road and come in the hospital, but not anyone said to go outside.
Sometimes I feel dizzy to listen your words because your words is without meaningless.
Yes, bro.
Yes, because there are many peons and also police and armies also.
Army is available in the army.
Yes, you know that not protect on the. No. That I am not talking about just who save our lives. Army, who work on the in the hospitals. I am just talking about
Yes, army in the hospital duty to
not only call the border army. I am not just talking about a border army. Yes, they also called army who work in hospitals, government or private.
You mean my side here to study a lot of students, they are army?
Not
What is
who work just like a police. You know police.
Yes.
He is also working in hospitals. He is
police and the army has
handle the cases.
a lots of case.
I think you have not proper knowledge about.
We cannot compare the police and army.
Just skip this point and come to the point. Okay.
Yes.
There are peons and also security guard.
No, the security
They
guard is
are
not
sitting
available.
on-
The security
and-
guard is not available in the government hospital.
How can you say that
Because
they
I,
are?
because I saw in the
I am also the private hospital, not anyone
No, sir, not
available.
available.
Yes. Give me strong evidence. Give me a strong evidence.
You go with me, then I will see.
No, yeah,
Why?
without evidence, this is not clear your point. Yes, that's all.
So how can you say that the
How can you say that?
How can you say that the without evidence the private hospital doctor has to do discrimination and don't care the patient?
Because government hospitals are big hospital in a country, and government also provide better facility. You know that, and also
Listen,
provide
without listen, without evidence how to say the private doctor has to do discrimination. You have a
Yes, I face, and my family and my society.
You also telling a lie.
I face
I need
because
I need a strong
I saw
evidence
in
to-
private hospitals because without the money that patient not
I also saw in the government hospital a fellow is working in a hospital. You see.
yes, excuse me, this is not a point, okay?
Why? What is not point? I ask question.
What is this? This is question.
Yes.
Without your question is meaningless, okay?
Meaningless. Please give my answer. Okay.
What is your question?
The fellow is working in the government hospital
What should I do? What should I do?
because they have no continuity. They have no peon. They are watchmen not available in the government hospital.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! You are
We can say red cow, dogs, a lots of animals. They are.
a lot of animals also walking in private hospital. What should you do? What will you do? What will you do?
Please give my
That
answer. Please give my answer.
you also give my answer. What will you do?
I ask question to first you give me answer, then I give answer.
A lot of peons and
What will you do?
employees are also available in government hospitals. That's why it is my answer.
What answer?
Okay. Also available peons and employees in government
But it's not
hospitals.
available in the government hospital. Okay, every time they.
I think you don't agree my point and my answer.
I never agree with your point.
So why are you asking me question?
Because I have a question, then I ask.
So I also give your answer.
Yes, without evidence, how to say that the private doctor do discrimination?
Yes, my family and my society
I'm
also. I am
I'm
also.
not talking about you.
What will I do? What will I do?
You give me
I-
evidence. You said about evidence.
Yes, I am facing. I am facing.
I am not talking about you. You are telling a lie also.
Listen to me. There is no hospital in this area. Okay, what will I do? Where is hospital?
Okay.
So we can't go there. Okay, we are
can't go
only
there.
debating here. Okay.
We can't go there.
Yes.
We can go.
We-
listen,
we-
we can go.
we can debating
listen, we
here
can go
only.
there, we can go there. But we cannot go the hospital.
We can go there, but in that time we are only conversation about hospitals, not go anywhere. Okay.
I don't should you go to the private hospital.
Yes,
I don't
that's why I'm trying to say your answer. Okay.
Without evidence, how to prove that the private doctor do discrimination?
Yes, because I see and I saw.
What you saw?
Yes, I saw in private hospital doctors without money, without paying your money, patient not admit in hospitals.
In the
Yeah,
In
and, yeah, on the other hand, the
in the
government
government- in the private
hospitals,
hospital, doctor has
without
the-
money, patient treatment easily without
in
money.
the private hospital doctor.
Yes, right, okay. And you, I think you never accept my point and my opinion
You are supporting the government hospital
because
don't
you
see
have
the-
no proper
You
knowledge.
don't see the advantage of government hospital. One day you with me and we can go private hospital. Okay, then I will see.
Who wants to ask question? I think you wanna. Yeah, okay.
I have a question. You
Yes.
said the government hospital has army. Why there is army? Why there is available army?
Because they are protect the patient, okay.
Because if
Just like a
if
hospital,
army
just like a
available in
police.
government hospital, because army know there is a doctor is very thick. They still body
Yes,
parts.
yes.
So there is available police and army.
It is only private hospital and private hospital doctors only do business and they selling the body
Private
parts of
hospital
the
there is no
patient.
army.
Excuse me.
Private hospital there is no army, there is no police because there is no doctor thief. They don't
There
steal
is
body
no
parts.
peon, there is no employee, there is no
How
nurse.
can you say
no-
that? How can you say that?
Because
There is
you are
available-
also saying
there is
that
available
you are
doctor.
also saying that there is no police, there is no army without yes I accept because there is no accidental case to accept in private
No,
hospital.
there
Yes,
is available.
not take the accidental
You
case
go and you take treatment.
because there is
I
no
think
police,
you
there
should-
is no
you
army.
should go to private hospital, not government hospital.
Excuse me.
You should support private hospital, not government hospital.
I support government because there is a police and on any accidental case that only take the government hospital, not private
Private
hospital.
hospital
You know
also
also,
take.
you
I
know
know very
you know that
well.
you know that.
I know very well.
What no? I think you have no proper knowledge
I have
about
proper
that.
knowledge,
About hospitals.
I know proper knowledge about
So
private hospitals.
so why are you not convincing my point?
Because your point is
Because it's right. That's why I'm
your
saying.
point is bogus.
That's what I'm saying because. Okay.
You said a private hospital doctor. Private hospital, it is a not hospital. This is a business. How can you say that?
Yes. Yes. It is
If you have a Ayushman card, you should go and you take free treatment in private hospital.
If you have no 18 years old, so what will they do?
Yes.
If you have
You
Yes.
go and you take free
without
treatment.
if you have no any Ayushman card because
AR
yes,
hospital is free.
you have no Ayushman card without
Hospital, this is a free, okay, for poor.
if any
poor.
girls and boys without teens, just like 18 plus, okay, without
I think you don't know AR
May-
hospital. This is a free for poor people.
private
Okay, you
hospital
should go- you go and
never
take a-
free for
You
poor
don't
people.
have proper knowledge
Okay.
for private hospital. You don't know, okay?
Yeah, yes,
If
I
you
know, I know,
if you
I
so
know.
you know,
Private hospitals only take your bill as possible as high. How to make your bill as high? Yes, they are selling.
You said private hospital doctors doing discrimination, but this is a not reality. This is a fake news.
Oh my God.
This is because the government hospital doctor is scolding a patient and abusing also patient.
Excuse
if
me,
a senior
if-
person, we have a lots of case.
I have saw a lots of case. In private hospitals, if you have no money, they don't talk the patient. There is
If you
no
don't
money.
have money, you
If
go and you take
yes, but
treatment. You go and you take treatment.
they avoid the patient if there is no money. Avoid the patient in.
This is happen only government hospital.
Excuse me, government hospital free for poor peoples and poor family and middle class family
If you
also.
go government hospital, firstly they give a long fees and there is a right medicine name. Medicine
Yes,
name.
because they
you
are-
go outside and you purchase.
Excuse me, medicine also available in government
2,500
hospitals.
rupees
Okay.
You can purchase the
No.
medicine. Okay.
I am also.
I know very well.
I treat also myself, okay, and with my father, and I take only one. I give only 1 rupees. So that's why
I
my
think
treatment
you
is also
go private.
easily.
I think you go private hospital.
No.
You give only 1 rupees and they treat.
I think you stole my point, okay? You stole the government point. You stole.
This is a private hospital point. Okay.
Sir, she is stolen my point.